Hi everyone, this is Jen, and I am here with pretty much a doodlebug design haul. So I've been low-key obsessed with doodlebug designs, and I found that officesupply.com has the least expensive when they're on sale, and I got a $30 off coupons, but I spent quite a bit, so it's like so much money and you get $30 off. It's like, I don't remember how much, but, and I also splurged because I really have been wanting a mink, and I went ahead and got the mink. So I do have a laser printer, and I thought it would be fun to use the mink. So we are going to play with the mink. And I do have a laminator I was using, but it's a hit and miss process. So let's start with the doodlebug. I'm going to start with what I know of the most recent and then go backwards. So first there is the Berry Sweet doodlebug, and I can't wait to make maybe some cute little albums or some projects and some cards. So I'm not going to open it, but each one of these has 12 double-sided cardstocks and then this sticker sheet. So here's the sticker sheet, and there's like some sentiments and some big designs on there. Not too big though. And then I got the solids, or they're called petite prints, and these coordinate well with all the collections that have the same kind of color palette. And then I got the icons, which is like a cardboard or chipboard sticker, like a really light chipboard sticker. And then I got the 6x8 pad. So that is the Berry Sweet collection, and it's one of the newest ones. Can't wait to use that. And then the other one that is fairly new is the Be Happy collection. I got the 12x12, and it has the stickers on the back. So if you're interested and you want me to go through these, just let me know. And then I got the petite patterns. I did get the 6x8. These would be easy enough to go through. The 6x8s would be easy to go through. And the chipboard stickers, and the puffy icons, which I thought were cute, and they would be cute for all sorts of stuff. Sorry about the glare. I got new lights, and that they're great, but they're also great, you know, glary, I guess. So that is the Be Happy 4th of July collection, which it's almost 4th of July. I don't think I'll get to it before the 4th of July, maybe on the 4th of July, but you guys won't see the video. So I got the Hometown USA is what it's called. Red and blue and silver, and or gray and white. There's the petite patterns. I didn't get the 12x12 collection. I don't think they had it. I got the 6x6 patterns. I got the puffy icons. The mini icons, and there's 3 sheets in the mini icons, so that's cool. The shape sprinkles, which I love. They're like little epoxy stickers. And then these little flag and star shape sprinkles. What these are called. Are these shape sprinkles? Yeah, these are shape sprinkles too. Cute. And then I got the shaker elements, the flags and stars, which are so fun, and then these little balls that have a lot of static in them, so can't wait to get those stuck to everything. I'm being sarcastic, but you know they will be. Down on the Farm, which I love these colors. Reds, yellows, greens, blues, browns. And I got the 12x12 of that one. And that one comes with the stickers. It says thank you very much. It's really funny. And then the 6x6 pad of the Down on the Farm. And the odds and ends packet, which is huge. Lots of ephemera. That's what I got from the Down on the Farm collection. Let's see, we got the Pretty Kitty. I'm not a cat person because I'm allergic to cats. And they're kind of assholes, but you know, you'll have that. I mean, I don't blame them. I got the Petite, and I like this orange corally color here. And the 6x6 in that one also. Pretty Kitty collection. That'll make fun cards and projects. By Kisses. I got the 12x12. And again, they have this nice orange and then like this coral. Here are your stickers from your coordinating sticker sheet. I did get the 6x8 pad in that one. The mini icons, like little mushrooms. And the ephemera. And the ephemera, bits and pieces, there's so many. So many. So there's that one. I went a little nuts, guys. I ain't lying. The last one I got 12x12 of is the At the Zoo paper collection. And I got the 12x12 kit. And that one comes with the stickers too. A little cute. I can see some cute projects coming from that. And then I got the 6x6 paper. I got just some random bits. I got the doilies in the light blue, the red, the white, and the black, which would all go with the Hometown USA collection. I also got the yellow, perfect for the Be Happy, the pink, and then that orange. So you've seen the pink and orange in lots of different ones. So I did get the doilies. I still have a few more 6x6s. And then the puffy shapes, the hearts, I got this turquoise. Do they have? I don't think they have a color on them. So there's a touch of color. So I got the turquoise, the white, the purple, and the blue. And then I got the purple, like enamel dots, purple glitter. And then this one actually goes with the Berry Sweet collection. These are the shape sprinkles from the Berry Sweet collection. And they're called Berry Blossoms. So those are just my little extras. And then I got this 6x6 Petite Floral Graph Rainbow Petite Prints. So it's just kind of like a general rainbow color palette. I got the Hey Cupcake, which is really cute. It has these llamas on it. And the Snow Much Fun, which I've seen some of their design team members use the Snow Much Fun collection, which was super fun. And then I got the Hello Again 6x6 and then the Hello Again ephemera. 160 pieces of ephemera with foil on them, well, some of them. But yeah, I thought those were all wonderful, and I did splurge, and yeah, it was a thing. I had it in my cart for like a week before I went and pushed the button. But when you have something in your head for so long, sometimes you just gotta go for it. So that was my indulging, I guess, haul from OfficeSupply.com. And yeah, head over there, see the good prices. I did a lot of price comparison, and this was the best one. So, all right, well, I will see you next time. Thanks a lot. And if you want to see me flip through these, I'll do a quick flip through. Thank you. Bye-bye.